Have you tried Milkcraft ice cream? Let's check it out together right now. What is this place? Milkcraft? What the heck is Milkcraft? Looks like ice cream cones. Look at all the pictures of ice cream there. Oh, handcrafted ice cream. Handcrafted ice cream. That sounds... Get out of the way. Handcrafted ice cream. I gotta try this place. What do you recommend?
I would personally recommend the coffee.
The coffee?
Yeah, the Vietnamese coffee.
Oh,
But
I hate
our
coffee.
popular ones are like the s'mores, the cookie butter, and the milk cereal.
Okay. We went to Milkcraft, which is an ice cream place, one of these gourmet ice cream shops here in New Haven, Connecticut. And we got it right here. All right, welcome to Sunny Reviews. I'm Sunny. What do I do? See it, smell it, taste it, right? What do we got here? These are their two flavors, classic flavors, chocolate and vanilla. All right, now if this can't be good, nothing is good. They have a lot of exotic flavors, fancy pants flavors, but I just want to go old school. Today I'm doing old school everything. I went to Louis Lunch for lunch. It is a traditional burger joint. The first burger joint that opened up in America is here in New Haven, Connecticut at Louis Lunch. Burgers, old school. Old school ice cream, chocolate and vanilla. All right, let's check it out. See if it's any good. It's very thick. I can tell already it's super thick. Now, I asked the guy that worked there, what is the best ice cream there? And he said coffee. And that blew it for me right away because I hate coffee. So I just... Anyway, all right, let's try this chocolate. It's super, super, like super dense. All right, let's give it a try. It does smell like chocolate ice cream, believe it or not. Let me think about it. Initial thoughts are, this is good. This really tastes like milk chocolate. It's almost like chocolate milk. It's very chocolatey, milk chocolatey. I'm not talking about dark chocolate. I'm talking milk chocolate. So if you're like me and you hate dark chocolate, you might love this ice cream. The chocolate is good. It is really good. Wow. It's super rich and super dense and creamy. And dare I say, dreamy. Yes, I said it. I really like this chocolate. I'm telling you guys, if you like milk chocolate, Milk milk chocolate, this is good stuff. Oh my gosh. I'm going big on this one. What I did here was I got one scoop with two flavors. Otherwise, I'd be in for two scoops. Each scoop here is like $6. No, it's not cheap, but it is really good. I'm telling you, I might have my favorite chocolate ice cream ever right here, right now. 8.6 out of 10. 8.6 out of 10. Milkcraft chocolate ice cream. It's not every day that I am amazed by good chocolate ice cream, but this chocolate ice cream is so good. It's rich, decadent. It's just good. It's just really, all right, let's try their vanilla. Madagascar vanilla. Here we go. Looking forward to trying this also. Because so far, everything I've had here has been great, but I only had one thing. All right, let's try this one. That vanilla pops you. It pops you right in the face. You're like, wow. Also pretty good vanilla. Extremely thick. Very decadent. Very creamy. What's better, chocolate, vanilla? Chocolate. All right, the vanilla is good too, but not as good as the chocolate. Incidentally, I just saw something I haven't seen in years. Let me see if you could see it with me here. All right, let me take this out of here. All right. What's that? What's that right there? That's what they call snow. Now, where I come from now, you don't see that too often. In fact, you never see it. But that is, my friends, snow. It just reminds me of the nightmares when I was living here. I'm in Connecticut, but you get there, New York, Connecticut, same thing. You go to a parking lot like this. I'm in the IKEA parking lot in New Haven, and they would take all the snow, and just, with the snow plows, and mush it up to the sides, and you'd have these gigantic snow mountains that would last throughout the spring. And here it is. It's March now, and the snow mountains are still there. Anyway, the vanilla, I'm going to give a 7.3. It's very good vanilla, but not worth getting out of your car for. The chocolate is great. Get out of your car, go to New Haven, and get this chocolate from Milk Shack, whatever the heck it's called. Milkcraft. Milkcraft. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what your favorite ice cream is. I think there's 3 locations in Connecticut, but this thing here in New Haven, the chocolate is worth it. I imagine there are other flavors that are also out of this world. So check this place out. It is good. Expensive, but good. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and we'll see you on the next Sunny Reviews. Later, Gators.